When it comes to protecting or defending itself, every animal on this planet has their own preferable method. Despite all the normal, regular methods we have heard of, some animals sure have very interesting ways to defend themselves. This time, stay with us, as we are going to look at the weirdest animal defense mechanisms. Hagfish can go months without food, and when they decide to eat, they easily absorb food through their skin as they tend to burrow into a carcass and eat their way out. But that's enough about their classy dining. Hagfish also has an ingenious ways of surviving being eaten up. When attacked, they would produce a slime from the pores that blinds, chokes, and traps any predators. On contact with water, the slime expands till the predator has to release the fish if it wants to get out of the slime cloud. The slime also clogs up fish gills, meaning stubborn predators will find themselves choking on the hagfish. Central African hairy frog, also known as the horror frog or wolverine frog, looks like any regular frog on the surface, but it is far from the ordinary. To defend itself when threatened, this harmless amphibian would shank its predator. Basically, frogs are not known to carry weapons, but this frog would break the bones in its toes and make them poke out of its foot. One swipe from this improvised claw is enough to wound the predators. Sea cucumbers are known for the defense mechanism where they would fling their guts at a predator. But if that doesn't work, they have an awesome backup strategy. When cornered, sea cucumbers can liquefy their bodies. They can manipulate the catch collagen that makes up their bulk, loosening and tightening it at will. This allows them to unhook the bonds holding their form in place, meaning that these organisms can dissolve and flow away to safety. However, this skill is so extreme that they can over-liquefy themselves and die. Native to the jungle floors of Borneo, the defense mechanisms of Camponotus cylindricus have led to its worldwide recognition. When attacked, these ants don't just bite the intruder. They swarm over its body and climb up to its head. Upon reaching the face, they would clamp on with their oversized mandibles and basically self-destruct. In a process called autophthisis, the ant contracts its body around a large internal gland, causing the gland to rupture violently. This internal explosion is accompanied by the release of a chemical that is both an irritant and a strong adhesive. The predator might end up blind or with a sealed mouth, or with bits of ants stuck to its face, or worse, all three. With its sharp spikes, horns, hissing, and an all-round unfriendly demeanor, the Texas horned lizard still has a number of predators. To protect itself from these predators, the lizard has developed one of the most curious defenses available in the animal kingdom. When threatened, it would squirt a well-aimed stream of blood straight out of its eyes. For those predators who don't mind getting a little messy, the blood is also mixed with foul-tasting chemical. Even though it is able to spray up to 5 feet away using this blood cannon, this method can cost the lizard up to 1/3 of its total blood supply.